Now, guys, what we have here, guys, is question part 4, yeah. And what's your ones? We have 8 and 10, was it? 8 and 9. We will do. So start with question 4. What you do is you put an R over all the real numbers. X plus Y is real and 8 is real. So you write down X plus Y equals 8. Notice the placement of the equal sign. It's in between the X and the Y and the 8. So it stays in between the X, Y and the 8. Then go to your imaginary numbers. You have X, 2Y and 13. Once again, notice that in between the 2Y and the 13 is an equal sign. So you have 13 here and you have X plus 2Y here. Yeah, pretty much for these questions, yeah. Solve them. What's on the left has to equal what's on the right. Pick a letter to get rid of. We'll go for minus. We'll take away the top one. So we'll change the top one to minus X minus Y equals minus 8. Is that alright? Then we have X plus 2Y equals 13. Now, what's 2Y minus Y? Y. 13 minus 8? 5. Now, X plus Y is 8. So what does that make X? X plus Y equals 8. So what does that make it? 5. So, 3. So X plus 5 equals 8. That means the number to go there will be X equals 8 minus 5, X equals 3. So look, guys, that's question 4. Reasonably done reasonably quickly. It's an easy enough question, okay? Yeah. See the R's here, Sean? On question 4. See the R's I wrote down? R is X, R is Y. That's X plus Y. The R on the other side is 8. So the real numbers each. So X plus Y equals 8. Okay. Okay, guys. Shh. Yes. Apologies to my biggest fan, Dennis. It was 1.7 for yesterday, not 1.6. My sincerest apologies. Now, now, guys, what we get next is multiply this out. 3x plus 4xi, and then you have 4y, and then that's going to be 6yi, and then on the other side, see the way it's just 2y on its own. Technically speaking, it's 0 plus 2i, because there's no real number on the right hand side, but there is an imaginary one. The imaginary one's the 2i. Is that alright? Now, label R for all the real numbers. Real, this one, real because there's no i's in it, and this one here, real. So you're going to get 3x plus 4y equals 0. Okay, keeping it real. Now, the next part, guys, is the I ones, alright? So 4x plus 6y, guys. 4x plus 6y equals 2. So what happened next, guys, is choose a letter to pick a letter to get rid of. We're going to go with x. What number will 3x and 4x divide into first? 12. So turn the top one into 12x by multiplying by 4. Multiply the bottom one by minus 3. Multiply it by 3, it turns into 12x, but we want a minus 12x, so we'll go for minus 3. Multiply across, we get 12x plus 16y equals 0. Minus 12x minus 3 times 6y minus 18y minus 3 times 2 minus 6. Okay, you ready? 12x minus 12x, 18y, 16y minus 18y. Now, multiply both sides by minus, and then y equals 3. Now, pick one of the original equations, either equation A or equation B. I'll go for equation A. 3x plus 4y equals 0. What is y? Y is what? 3. 4 times 3? 12. 3x plus 12 equals 0. Bring the 12 over to your side. Minus 12, x equals minus 4. Okay guys, multiply it out. 2x plus 3xi plus 4y plus 5yi minus 19i equals 16. Now, you notice there's no imaginary number on the right hand side. So I'm going to put a 0i in on that side. Now the reason I did that is when you get your real numbers, real, 2x plus 4y equals 16. Imaginary, imaginary, imaginary. So you get 3x plus 5y minus 19 equals 0. Sorry? And that's imaginary as well. That's where the 0 comes in there. Now, what I'm going to do with this equation is I am going to move the 19 over to the other side. So I get 3x plus 5y equals 19. David, can you tell me which letter you'd like to get rid of? There is no wrong answer, by the way. Just pick a letter. Yeah. Get rid of x. What? Yeah. So yeah. And now, if you multiply by 3, no, you're right, but if you multiply by 3, you get 6x. But if you want a minus 6x, minus 3. Alright, keep going. Multiply that 6x, 10y equals 38. Minus 6x minus 12y equals minus 48. 10y minus 12y minus 2y equals minus 10. Multiply both sides by minus. 2y equals 10. Y equals 5. Go back to one of the original equations. Okay, one of the originals. Now, what we have here, guys, is you have this equation here. 2 times x plus 4 times y equals 16. 2x plus 4 times 5, because y is 5, equals 16. That's a 20. Bring the 20 over to your side. 2x equals 16 minus 20. 2x equals minus 4. X will equal minus 4 over 2. X equals minus 2. The answer is y equals 5, x equals minus 2. Who got that?